This is the pad of Dong before he left. Now it's an empty space for everyone who would like to surf the web, update their friends there. This is the lady who's always creating PowerPoint for people who are leaving, like Del, Dong, Ida,
And you're
and
next.
no need. I'm not going anywhere. This is Ted and Gilbert,
Another version. You show this.
and this is Marimar. So hot beside the beach. As always, this area of the room is empty because they are working at night. And these are famous aircon. You play with that when it's hot or when it's cold. And these are the backupers.
I like our new word, backupers.
We're backing up everything.
Backup boys.
From business related to non-business related.
Yes.
Everything.
Music
Pati gunting.
piracy
Yes.
incorporated.
What's beef?
Hart is not here because he's celebrating his birthday. And these are my pictures. Yan po. Wala lang. And wanna take a look what's keeping us busy. Yan lang po. Ito po ang aming ikinabubuhay dito sa mundong ito. And yan po ang cameraman ninyo. Hi. Okay. Tama na. Stop.